Yes, we are free to go ahead, take lessons from nature, as you will see in the example of the Japanese engineer who takes his inspiration from the kingfisher beak, which is long and is able to control the aerodynamics such that it is able to go on an ambush on the fish and pick it without making so much splash, because it's very fast in its diving. You see, I was able to use these lessons for the very fast Japanese train, such that it doesn't make the sharp and very loud noise that it is very problematic and notorious for. So we can take the lesson, and we must also be mindful that it doesn't have to be positive lessons. Sometimes we can take the lessons for against the negativity. For example, when we think, and in doing this, and the use of analogy is very pertinent. We are able to draw with the use of the right language. We are able to draw the right lessons and get new insight. For example, when we're thinking of such things as counterterrorism, we want to think about the human immune system, the body immune system. When we talk about centrifugal force, we want to talk about such things as this unity. When we want to talk about other examples, thermodynamics may help us to understand diminished return even in economics. So these are ways of the border between different different arms of knowledge should be thinned out to create, and the tool to thin this out is the use of right language and the responsible use of analogy. Because if we do not go with a certain convention in the use of our language, we tend to create more and more superstition. But that's why I said the responsible use of language to come about innovations too. And we'll find that when we are able to apply this epistemology in a new way, our eyes begin to open to new possibilities, and we find that decision making is we are able to come to better decision making by understanding the grand design of nature, as we have seen in the example of the innovation of the Japanese ultra fast train system as designed by that engineer. Thank you.